You guys, this is how your brain works. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Taj and I'm back today with some more free tea. So today I want to talk to you guys about how your subconscious mind and the reticular activating system is just like your own personal algorithm. Okay, so if you're interested in this video, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did a video about 9 or 10 months ago about the science behind manifestation, what is happening, how it's not this magical, mystical thing that's happening. We're manifesting all the time, and what exactly is happening. And so I kind of want to redo this video today, but shorter, simpler, more to the point, and in a way that will resonate with you guys. Okay, so think about this, right? When you get on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all these social media platforms have what we call an algorithm, right? And the algorithm works based on you. So what may show up on my For You page and what may show up on my sister's For You page is not going to be the same. What may show up in her, recommended videos on YouTube may not be the same for her or for me of what shows up in my recommended videos. Okay, so the point I'm trying to make is that every social media platform that you get on, the algorithm is tailored to you and your needs based on what you've shown interest in, based on where you have placed most of your time and attention, i.e. your focus. What are you watching? And whatever it is that you're focused on, these algorithms are saying, oh, she likes watching that video, she's paying more attention to this, she's commenting here, she's liking here, she's subscribed here, let's show her more of this type of content. Yeah, this family behind me, I don't know, I'm at the park. Okay, so yeah, but so that's how your algorithm is working, right? I want to point out, and I know people have probably pointed this out in the past, I know that I did in the video that I mentioned earlier that I did about 10 months ago, but I want to reiterate to just make it really clear for you guys that literally your brain, the reticular activating system, is like your own personal algorithm. Okay, what you focus on, and there's a saying that I say in a lot of my videos, is where your attention goes, energy flows. Where your attention goes, energy flows. So where you're focused, what you're focused on is what you are watering, what you are wanting to grow, what you are telling the reticular activating system, I want to see more of this, right? So if you're on TikTok and you're watching cat videos, and I know my clients, because I've given them this analogy so many times. So my clients, I'm sorry, you got to hear this again. Y'all heard it first, okay? But if you're watching TikTok and I come across cat videos and I'm watching this cat video from beginning to end, and then I scroll some more on my For You page and there's another cat video and I watch it from beginning to end, I'm telling TikTok that I really enjoy watching cat videos, clearly because I'm watching it from beginning to end. My attention is focused there, my energy is going there, so that's what I want more of. And so TikTok is like, cool, bet, say less, let's give her more cat videos, she really likes this. Now, when it comes to something that I don't watch much of, like let's just say cooking videos, okay? Let's just say I don't spend a lot of time watching cooking videos on TikTok. When I see them, I'm like, scroll, right? So TikTok is like, okay, cool, say less. We won't show you any more cooking videos for real. We'll just continue to show you more of what you want. You guys, this is how your brain works. Whatever you're thinking, wherever your thoughts are focused on, is what your reticular activating system thinks that you really like and enjoy. And so it's going to show you more of that. So if you're manifesting money, but your focus is on not having enough money, oh, my bank account says this, I don't have enough money, how am I going to get money here? Oh, let me research how to find more money. Oh, let me do this, how to find more money. Your reticular activating system is like, oh, she likes not having enough money. Let's give her more things that's going to make her say, like, I don't have enough money, I need enough money, I don't have enough money to pay for this, right? But if you are focused on positive thoughts and you're affirming, like, oh, I have more than enough money comes to me easily, effortlessly, oh, I'm a money magnet. And if you are identifying in your 3D reality all the abundance that's already in your life. You're showing gratitude for the things and for the money that you already have, and realizing that everything that you have is money. The sofa that you sit on, the screen in which you're watching this video on costs money, right? So money is all around you. Money, you have money, you've had money, right? So your reticular activating system is like, oh, she's focused on all of this money and all of this abundance. Let's give her more money and more abundance to focus on. Let's give her more of that, more of that. So literally, what you think is what you get. What you think about is what you get. What you focus your attention on is what you get. It's as simple as that. And so for the people who feel like they've been manifesting, for so long, for years and months, and they haven't received any movement, ask yourself, where has the majority of your focus been? Or actually, you don't even have to ask yourself. Your 3D reality will show you exactly where your focus is. So if you feel like you've been manifesting something for so long and you've been doing all the things, but you're not getting any movement, you have not made a shift mentally yet. You are simply desiring something, but you're not operating from the space of already having it, from a space of already knowing that it's yours. You're not focused on the abundance that's already around you, because if you were, your 3D reality would reflect such thoughts, right? So literally, you guys, what you think about and what you focus on most of the time is what you're going to manifest. So if you are not getting what you want in your reality, it is because you are getting what you're focused on. So look at what you're getting, and if you're not happy with it, change your focus, change your perspective, shift your mental state in order to align to create or select a new reality for yourself. So that's all I have for this video, you guys. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you thought of the video. Also, book your coaching session now, okay? It's going down in my coaching sessions, and people are getting so many amazing results. Description box down below will have the links to my website where you can book your session right now, okay? Sending nothing but peace, love, and blessings. Happy manifesting.